Heyflow natively integrates with more than 50 popular tools. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Heyflow with HubSpot to easily track new Heyflow leads as contacts, deals, or companies. Let's get started. Before setting up any integration, you need to name your import block using system labels. These labels tell Heyflow how to identify each piece of data when it's sent to your integration. Click on an input block to open its settings. Scroll down to the Labels and Variables section and enter a clear descriptive label. Do this for every field you want to pass to your integration. Now head to the Connect tab and find HubSpot under Response Handlers. Click Add Account, and you will be prompted to log into HubSpot in a new window. Sign in with your HubSpot credentials and select your account. First, choose whether new submissions should be tracked as contacts, deals, or companies. Now match your Heyflow fields to the right HubSpot fields. You can map built-in values like response ID, page URL, or A/B test information, a static text value useful for tagging all leads from a specific funnel, any input field from your flow, or calculations with multiple inputs. You can map to standard HubSpot fields like name and email, or to your custom fields you set up. Keep in mind, anything you don't map won't be transferred, so take a moment to go through all the fields you need. When you're done, click Save Changes. From now on, every submission will instantly create a new record in HubSpot, ready to enroll in the workflow or trigger an automated follow-up. You can manage all your connected accounts in one place. Go to the Integration section in your account settings. There you can see which funnels are using each integration, reconnect an account if authentication has expired, or remove an account entirely to stop all data transfers. Congratulations! Now you know how to connect Heyflow with HubSpot to boost your lead pipeline. Thank you for your time. Learn more about Heyflow in other videos or check out our Help Center. Happy building!